The world is in constant motion, and as everything around us is changing, so are we. From the moment we take our first breath, we evolve. We learn new skills, we grow, we move forward. Yet when it comes to the workplace, this sense of motion seems lost. Powered by legacy systems and rigid org structures, most organizations weren't built to be in motion at all. That leaves employees feeling trapped in their roles, unable to reach their full potential, and organizations struggling to keep up with today's fast-paced world. But since we are always evolving, why should work be any different? This is why we created Gloat. Gloat provides the AI-powered operating system needed to keep people and organizations moving forward. Our platform transforms these old static systems and structures so people and businesses can maximize their potential. Imagine a workplace where job titles don't define us, but our evolving skills do, where organizations become truly agile. In Motion, businesses can adapt quickly, deploying skills in real time where they are needed most. They can ensure the right skills are being used on the most critical work, and they have visibility into work and the workforce like never before, so they can always stay ready for what's next. And employees? Yeah, they can finally gain the freedom to explore new opportunities, develop their skills, and pursue their passions. Imagine a world where work feels like progress, where every day brings new opportunities for growth. This is the world we envision, a world where organizations and employees move forward together. Gloat, putting people and organizations in motion.